Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm still in the beautiful island of Barbados and I'm at the Chefette location in Black Rock, St. Michael. Look at that. Big, beautiful building. And in today's video, one of the things when coming to Barbados and as soon as we land and we start asking questions, people say, you know what? Chefette is the place to be. Like, don't even think about KFC. I know when you go to Trinidad and Tobago, like KFC is like rival with Jamaica, like #1 in the Caribbean. When you go to Jamaica, same thing. KFC, like everyone loved KFC in Jamaica, in Trinidad and Tobago. When we went to St. Vincent and the Grenadines, like KFC was amazing there. But what we were told, like when you come here, don't even think about KFC. Chefette, that is the place to be. So we are here at Chefette. This one is in Black Rock in St. Michael Parish. This is one of the biggest one that I've seen here in Barbados so far. You can see there's a play area, you know, like one of those McDonald's play area. So it's like very impressive, very impressive. And as I said, like this is one of the only place I've been in the Caribbean where a local fast food franchise outshine a KFC, a McDonald's, and those other franchises. When you come to Barbados and you ask people, they're like, you know what? Don't even try KFC. Don't even think about it. Like it's Chefette or nothing. I heard there is like a Burger King. I haven't seen one, but yep, Chefette. This is it. Very impressive, and the food. I have to say, the food is really good. They also do pizza. We haven't tried the pizza. They do roti. The roti is very impressive. Like I thought it was going to be like some fast food, not healthy type of roti, or just like mediocre. But the roti, it's the best roti that we've had since we've been in Barbados. So that should tell you something. It's a very good roti. So look at it, Chefette. Chefette, look at it. So beautiful, so impressive. And I think I heard that there's 15 locations across the island. So they have more location than KFC. I'm not sure how many KFC locations. So you can see right there the drive-through, the mega playground. You can see, zoom in a bit closer. Yep. So it's very impressive. It's not like a small franchise type of thing. You can see it's comparable to like a McDonald's, a Burger King. That is what we're working with. And Barbados also very clean. You can see the grounds of Chefette. Lots of parking. Look at that. Very clean area. They also do delivery. That is one of the other things that is so impressive about this place. They also do delivery, like a Uber Eats type of thing. So like I see on the menu where they have like a mix and match package where you can order like family size chicken. You can order roti for the family and it's like 80 Bajan dollars, which is 40 US dollars. And that covers everything, food and delivery fee. So very impressive. Hey Mariah.
Hey.
So Mariah's having the what is it? 2-piece chicken?
Yeah. And fries and a bun.
2-piece chicken, fries, and a bun. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Try the chicken and tell me how it is.
That's really good.
Really good? So this is it. Chefette's. Dinner time. Chefette. Is it Chefette or Chefette? Chefette. No, but I pronounce it with an accent. Chefette. Hey Jaden,
Hi.
how's your fries?
Good.
How good is it? Is it better than McDonald's?
No.
Is it better than KFC?
A little bit.
Is it better than Daddy's fries?
No.
Look at Mariah go in on that chicken. I like the box. Box is very colorful. Look at that. Yeah. Very colorful. Nice colors. How do you compare it to the KFC? With the, well, KFC from St. Vincent.
This KFC,
The KFC from St. Vincent is better?
yeah, it's just that the KFC one in St. Vincent has a little bit more flavor to it.
They're more flavor, yeah. Okay, so this is roti, beef with potato. Yes, Chefette, they sell roti also. So, looks okay. Good. Wow, it's very good. Actually, it's very good. Yeah, surprisingly good for fast food. Yeah, well, Chefette, that's it. And I'm gonna wash it down with some sorrel. This is something else that you don't expect to get inside a fast food restaurant. So, it's actually good. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. Chefette. This is the kids area, the kids play area of Chefette. It's actually impressive. Look at this. Very impressive. It's a Barbados franchise, and it is bigger than KFC, it's bigger than McDonald's. I think this is actually the first time I've ever seen like a Caribbean franchise that pretty much outshine any of those bigger franchise like a Burger King and a KFC. So it is very impressive. The colors are just they stand out. Look at that. And they have 15 locations in Barbados. Barbados is the only place in the Caribbean that you'll find them because it's a Bayesian brand. So very impressive. Okay, so we are going to try the ice cream for the first time, Chefette's Frosties. That's like rum and raisin and cookies and cream. Why? You never had rum and raisins before? Don't worry, there's no alcohol in it. There's no alcohol, it's just the flavor.
Not bad.
Try some more.
It has a very like strong taste. I don't know what a flavor it is, but I think it's rum.
Rum, yeah.
Yeah, it has a very strong taste of rum. Yeah.
Like it?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's 2 scoops, $10.50 Beijing dollar. That's what 5.25 US. Try. Yeah, it's smooth, creamy. It tastes different. It tastes like, I guess it's Bajan rum because I know the Jamaican rum and raisin have like a, I guess Jamaican white rum probably tastes, but this tastes different. Probably like, I don't know, maybe it's red rum, the Mount Gay rum flavor. I don't know. Yeah, it's good though, very good. It's not actual rum. It's like the extract, like the flavor. So, but it tastes a bit different from the one that I'm used to. But rum and raisins.